Hello everyone. Today in this video, we want to give you information about enrolling for spring 2021 classes at ITU. First, go to my.itu.edu and log into your account. If you cannot log in, you will need to reset your password. Once you are in your account and before registering for classes, you have to clear your accounting hold. You will do this by paying your previous account balances and also either by enrolling or declining health insurance. In order to enroll for health insurance, go to jcbeans.com. Type in the university name, which is International Technological University. Select your plan year 2020 to 2021 and your status, either domestic or international student. Once you are in the portal, you can either submit your waiver or start your student health insurance enrollment. As a fellow student, I already secured my health insurance and sent an email to accounting Poorstar at itu.edu to remove my accounting hold. As soon as your accounting hold is lifted, you can begin enrolling by accessing your my.itu.edu account. Enter your student email address and password and click sign in. Once you are in the portal, click student record Spring 2021 and add course to begin selecting your classes. Keep in mind that if you want to enroll for internship class, you must wait until your internship application has been reviewed and approved by the internship coordinator and faculty. You will be manually added into the internship class by the registrar's office once your internship application is approved. You can access ITU website to see the class schedule. The website address is itu.edu/home/student-hub/class-schedule. Once you know your classes, you can either type or check the box and check the box and click add courses. After this, click orders and then click proceed to payment. Here you can see that there are other miscellaneous charges in your account, such as the VTA, registration, technology, and SGA fees. Bear in mind that if you're paying using a credit card or debit card, a 3% surcharge will be applied. Type in your card information and click pay. However, there are other methods to pay if you don't want the debit or credit option. You can pay using a check or cash by visiting the university in person every Friday from 1 to 5 p.m. When you are visiting the campus, please remember to wear a face mask. A different payment option is the wire transfer your payment. Please request the wire transfer information by emailing bursar@itu.edu for this information. A final option is you can deposit a check or cash by visiting the HSBC Bank in person. Please be sure that your student's name and student ID are written on the check. Please also send a copy of the deposit record to accounting for verification. Please email accounting@bursar@itu.edu to know the bank information and for all other accounting-related inquiries. Thank you. We hope that this video will help you in enrolling for your classes for spring 2021. Any other concerns or problems, please submit a technology ticket through Freshtest at https://ituservice.freshtest.com/support/tickets/new.